What's up, everybody? So today we are at Juka Racing and we are going to install some parts on the JZX90. So as you can see, the wheels are off and we have a little box. And in this little box are some goodies and some instructions. And these fans are blowing everything away. Put one there for now. What is that? It's a little weird. So, we have all these brown papers, and they are suspension arms. So we have a full set of rear suspension arms from Xcessive, and Eric's gonna help me put them on. So first things first, with working on these old cars that haven't been modified, you grab some PB blaster and just spray all the bolts that we're gonna touch, because it's gonna make it way easier when we're going to take them off. So what we're going to do, since we're replacing this one, and this one, we are going to take a measuring tape, measure from the center of the hole to this center of the hole, so we can get roughly the alignment that we have now, started with the new arms, and then when we put it on the alignment rack, it won't be that much adjustment needed. So we got all the arms adjusted closely to what was on the car, and then look at Eric in his work shoes. So now we're gonna start taking all these arms off, trying to install the new ones, and then hopefully by then we will throw it on the alignment rack over there. So we got most of the arms loose, and I'm going to use this to point.
What about that?
And then we're going to leave this one slightly loose because Eric made a good point. If we take this one off, then this will start doing whatever. So we're going to put the other two arms on, and then take that one off and replace it.
They don't work.
They don't work? We just...
These are a lot bigger.
Oh. We just try to see if the regular like ISR eccentric lockout kit would work, but these are way bigger, so we'll have to reuse these. I don't really like to use these because there's a chance of it knocking the alignment loose because this will move, but we'll roll the dice. So on this arm, this is kind of like this is a ball joint style on the knuckle, so you gotta like tap this to break it loose. So we already did that on this side. I just did on that side, and now we're going to start putting the arms back in. Alright, so we got the arms on. We still have to do a little bit of adjusting before we put it on the rack, but we have an issue. So I don't know if it's probably actually Eric, because I have this really cool ultra racing rear sway bar.
I doubt it, because these are stock.
Yeah, so this doesn't line up at all, and the hole where the threads go through is too small. So we're gonna have to see if we can put a different end link on there to get it to work, but it's also like touching here. So, but we're gonna eat first and then finish this up. Check out, look at them, look at them Crocs.
OSHA approved.
All right, so after some persuasion with the drill, we made these holes bigger and we're able to get this thing through. It's not ideal, but for now, I'll just have to get some sway bar end links or something later, but for now it'll work. So, alright, so we finished setting everything pretty close to how it should be. Just gotta put it on the alignment rack once they're done, and then we'll be good to go. got Eric, the alignment specialist, over here.
Stop, take the one. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's skip.
What are we putting this as?
Camry.
We're doing Camry? It is a Camry.
I have Mark II, but it's super old.
Yeah, I don't know if you see that, but yeah, it says Mark II, but it's not Mark II. Yeah, but it's like 1970s Mark II.
Have a Cressida.
And we'll just do
Prius.
we'll do Prius.
No.
Supla?
Go to what it is. Go up. Go up.
Oh my god.
It's a crown.
What?
Crown?
No,
Oh yeah.
Go back.
Go back.
Can you go back? Hit escape.
Pencil.
Shit! No.
No.
Restart.
All right, Camry. Just put a Camry.
All right, we're going with Camry. It doesn't matter, but we're going with Camry just because.
Camry Solar. That's not the way.
Camry, it's a hybrid, actually.
There you go.
99. Is there 99?
No, that's why it's a Camry hybrid. No, hybrid wasn't made either.
Alright, sounds good.
All right.
Camber.
So we are pretty off. The toes in the front, or the toe in the front is off too.
That says green. Photo tail.
No, because it's off.
Steering wheel isn't straight?
It was. But anyways, we're at negative 1.8 on the left, negative 2.7 on the right, and then we are way off on toe. We're at negative 9/16, and then positive 9/16. So we don't have too much to do. Eric did like some voodoo or magic or something, and it literally straightened right back out. So we're at negative 2.2, negative 2.3, and zero toe because this thing's a street car. We're not trying to wear now tires out. It's already pretty quick in drift after if I put some good tires on it. And I'm not really worried about it. I'm trying to get the most tire life that we can out of this thing. Oh, and by the way, I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but we got this thing all polished up and it looks real good. And we're done. Everything's zeroed out. Well, the toe looks like it's off, but it's not. Everything's zeroed out, and yeah, we're good to go. So we're gonna pull this thing off the alignment rack, and then we're gonna go drive home.
Yep. I got a new tent on my Subaru.
Oh yeah, Eric got a new tent on the Subaru. Oh yeah. So yeah. Oh, there he goes. Oh, by the way, Ant got a new car, and it is this thing, and it just got tinted. R32 GTST, bone stock automatic. So anyways, yeah, we're gonna get this thing off the alignment rack and see what else we can get into before we head back home. So we made it back home. The car drives the same, obviously. So after we aligned it and stuff, got the wheels all straight, and it works. It didn't make any weird clunking noises or anything like that, which I was a little afraid of, but it's fine. Okay. So, we're pulling this thing out of the garage because Eric needs to go test drive it. The other day he drove it to work, and then on the way back home, what happened?
Turbo decided to die. It was an old turbo, but just locked up and choked the car. So we got a new one.
Yeah, so he was driving home, turbo completely like destroyed itself to where the car wouldn't even want to try to run anymore. So got it towed back here, and a couple days later, we had a new turbo in the car. But you haven't driven it yet.
Nope.
So
I don't know how much boost it's actually running.
So are we gonna go drive it? Warming up cars is for chumps. Send it cold. I'm so used to getting on the other side of this car but not anymore because it's right-hand drive. Got this nice interior.
Still gotta get a
Cool interior.
This thing totally gave out now.
Oh, yeah, that's kind of annoying. That's like, that's right in my way.
Kept messing with it, and then it just took shit.
Yeah, but at least most of the interior is still there. I'm gonna just self-tap this thing. Just,
I'm just gonna take it off.
oh yeah,
This one.
you can take it off. Yeah, like that.
Decided to fall apart.
We're gonna watch the boost gauge, see what it's at. So we both agreed, need some more boost. It's pretty, it feels decent, but it ain't being that Mark II out there.
Thing I know, dude.
I don't think so. So anyways, we got some stuff done today, which is always good. And this thing's back to driving, which is also good. Hopefully we'll see it drifting soon. Maybe. Yeah, hopefully soon. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and the notification button so you guys know when we post videos. And we'll see you guys next time.